Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you these super cute ponytails that are absolutely perfect for the summer. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So take some hair right above the ears and take it all the way towards the back and secure it into a ponytail. Okay, so now what you want to do is take the rest of your hair and take it towards the left side. Now make an opening in the center of the ponytail. Now with the hair that's on the left, you take it above the ponytail and just pull it through the loop. Now twist that portion of the hair towards the left side. Now take a little bit of hair from under the ponytail and secure the rest of the hair into a ponytail with that. So this way your ponytail will be secure under the main ponytail and you'll have this gorgeous knot that flows into a ponytail. It is super simple. It takes literally 2 minutes and it ends up looking so gorgeous. Now for the second one, the same way, you take some hair towards the back and secure it into a ponytail. Now make an opening in the center. And you just flip the ponytail inwards and pull tight. Basically, this is how it should look once it's done. Now take that ponytail in the front and just clip it away for now. Now with the rest of your hair, you take it all into a ponytail again. Now release the top ponytail and take the lower ponytail towards the up and through the loop. Take it through the loop and out and pull tight. Now just pull the lower and the top ponytail together and this is how it should look. I think ponytails are a must in the summer, and with variations of hairstyles like this, it just makes your life so much simpler. And these hairstyles look gorgeous and they're so simple and quick to achieve. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and I wish you're going to create this in the summer season. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment below and let me know which one was your favorite. Hit the notification bell and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!